Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aldan Fikri Novaritama and my name 19240969.
Halo, my name is Elvan Wajayanto. My name 19241024. And the title of our dialogue is Tips and Suggestion for Managing a Fundraising Event.
Hi Alfian, do you have a moment? I need some advice and I thought you the best person to ask.
Aldan, sure, I have got some time. What's on your mind?
So I am organizing a community event next month, a fundraising walk for a local charity. This is my first time managing something like this, and I am feeling a bit out of my depth. I was hoping you could give me some pointers since I know you have organized event before.
Sounds like a sound like a great initiative. I'd be happy to help on you. What specifically do you need advice on? Planning, promotion, or something else?
Honestly, a bit of everything. I have got a basic outline, but I am not sure if I am missing anything important. For example, I am struggling with finding sponsors and volunteers. I also want to ensure we promote it well enough to get a good turnout.
Let's break it down. For sponsor, the first step is identifying local business or organizations that align with your cause. Have you made a list potential sponsor yet?
I have talked about it, but I haven't created a solid list. I wasn't sure how to approach them or what to offer in return.
Okay, here's a tip. Prepare a sponsorship proposal. It should outline the event purpose, what the funds will be used for, and the benefits for the sponsor, like a logo placement, and banners or social media shoutouts. Personalize it for its business.
That's great idea. Do you have an example of a proposal? I'd love to see one for reference.
I do. I can email you a template I used for an event last year. You can tweak it for fit your needs.
That would be amazing. Thanks, Alfian. What about volunteers? I have asked a few friends, but I need more people.
Reach out to local schools, universities, or community groups. They often have people looking for volunteer opportunities. You might also try posting on social media or using platforms like Volunteer Mats.
Social media sound like a good idea. Should I create a separate page for the event, or is it okay to use my personal account?
Dedicated event page, it's better. It's look more professional and make it easier for people to find details. Plus, you can share updates, photos, and videos for to keep momentum going.
That's a great point. I will get started on that tonight. Do you think it's worth spending money on ads?
If your budget slows, boosting posts or running a target and ads can help reach a wider audience. Just make sure the ad clearly states the date, location, and how to participate.
Not speaking of budget, how do I handle that? I don't have a lot of funds to start with.
And prioritize essential expense. Use sponsorship money and registration fees. It applicable to cover costs for things like printing or refreshments if you can get them donated.
This is also helpful. I feel much more confident now. Thank you, Alfian, for taking the time to walk me through everything.
Of course, Aldan, you are doing something wonderful and I'm happy to help. Let me know if you need anything else.
Will do. Thanks again, Alfian. I owe you one. Thank you.
Action objective to organize a successful fundraising walk for a local charity, key challenge, finding sponsor, recruiting volunteers, promoting their event effectively. Sponsorship step 1, identify potential sponsor, local business alliance organizations. Step 2, prepare a sponsorship proposal, event purpose, benefits for sponsor. Tip, personalize your approach to its sponsor. Volunteer recruitment. Volunteer recruitment. Source for volunteer, friend and family, local schools and universities, community groups, online platforms. Tip, clearly define roles and expectations for volunteers.
Promotion. Best practice. Number 1, create a dedicated event page. Number 2, share updates, photo, and video. Number 3, utilize social media platforms effectively. And optional, invest in target. Budgeting. Tips for budget management. Number 1, start with essential expenses. Number 2, use sponsorship money and registration fees. Number 3, seek in-kind donation and visual. Simple budget table with example categories. Event day preparation checklist. Number 1, confirm volunteers and roles. Number 2, prepare materials, signage, registration sheets. Number 3, set up a welcome station and communicate the schedule to participants. And tip, have a backup plan for unexpected issue. Post-event follow-up. Action to take. Number 1, thank sponsor, volunteers, and participants. Number 2, share photo and outcomes on social media. 3, evaluate the event success for future improvement. And visual example, thank you post or email template. Thank you.